I never could get this thing to focus, y'all.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brian. You already know I'm in my work clothes and I'm back again with some more stuff for you. Just showed you guys the coder intake I got, right, from LMR. Shout out to LMR. That is literally where I get most of my parts from. I'm gonna let you guys see the other thing that came in not too long. You like that? You feel me? Long ago. Well, what came in the mail was something special. I told you guys I might buy it, but of course I was lying, and you know your boy had to go spin them chips on what I got for that grip. You already know what it is. I'm about to spit on this bit. You feel me though? Let me get to the opening of the box and show you guys what I got from LMR. You feel me though? Goddamn. Let me show you guys what I got. So, as you can see, yes, once again, I'm in my room. I got something from SVE, from LMR. You see? LMR. Lots of vinegar. I got something from there, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I got. Now, the box was heavy as hell, so obviously it's something heavy that I just got in. Hey, you feel me? More stuff coming soon. More stuff coming soon. I'm gonna open this box and show you guys exactly what the hell is in it and why the hell it's so heavy. Alright, if y'all know me, you know I got the handy dandy for Sandy, cause Shandy broke knife. You know what I'm saying? I probably had this in every other video, so get to it, you feel me? God damn it. Once again, not a proper way to open something. God, they put boxes inside of a box. Thank you for the safety. Thank you. Appreciate it. Let's see what this is. I literally just dropped. You guys, let me put my camera down some. You hear me? Looks like something's poking out. Ooh, of metal. Oh, it's staples. I guess on this channel I just be sweating, wearing work clothes, and opening stuff with broke knives. Yeah. They ain't even focused. Let me show you guys exclusively what I got. So I decided, I'm always messing up. I decided to go with the SVEs. They were probably the cheapest. It's pretty dope. I got the adjustable ones, so you know they give me all the tools. There's another box down there. Most likely has all the rest of the stuff in there. These are heavy as hell. I got the normal ones, the blues. Don't pay attention to nothing you see. The blue ones, I got the heaviest. Oh shit. This probably ain't supposed to happen, but feel me though. That crazy. Yeah. So anyways, like I said, finally got suspension for the car. We gon' drop that be on 22s. I put her on 22s. Nah, the joke is old. Probably put a picture in there of what my car is gonna look like after we install these. Not sure when we gonna install these, cause this takes time. There's 3 wrenches on the score meter on American Muscle. I love American Muscle too. I got these because everyone knows how the new edges look. They look like monster truck. Look like you can ride on a mountain. Like, no, that's not funny. Okay, what's a good analogy, y'all? But they look like monster trucks, okay? Literally, you got like so much space in between your tire, and they give you like little rims too. They give you little tires. I think they're like 17s from factory, so the little bullets, they don't really, I mean, I think I have 18s on it right now, and it still looks like ass without good suspension. So I decided if I'm gonna buy some things for my car, not only am I gonna go to power, but I gotta get some good suspension. So I decided with the SVEs. Of course, I'm gonna throw that box in the trash can. With the pack, they gave me everything. It's literally the whole kit. If you look it up, I'll probably put a link to the coils I have, to the kit I have. It's running about $7 something, so Yeah, and this is money from me, guys. Like, no one gives me this money. It's money I make, and I have to buy this stuff just to please your body. No, I'm playing. I have to buy this stuff just to please you guys and also please myself. I've been waiting to drop my car since the day I got it. When I first saw this car and I saw how high it was from the ground, from the wheels, and on top of that, I got it near the beach, it looked horrible. So now we're gonna be lowered, we're gonna be stancing. Yeah, I'm Stan. It don't lower that much, y'all. I ain't Stance. Shout out to Stance though, you feel me? It's gonna be lower, and I feel like once I put these on, it's gonna take a while, but once I put these on with the bullet intake and the more stuff I got coming, it's gonna look great. All I need is a paint job, and your boy gonna be really astounded. But with that being said, like, comment, subscribe, and you already know what it is. It's your boy Bryan. I'm out.